Hello, friends!
Welcome to another fun episode of Sensational Science!
In our last experiment, Runaway Germs, we learned about surface tension and how microscopic things such as germs can float on the surface.
Yes, and we also learned about the importance of washing your hands thoroughly.
With soap, of course, for germ-free hands.
Good by germs,
Says the soap.
close the tap, dry your hands, you are done. Hooray for soap!
Hey girls! Girls, where do you go?
We are invisible!
Whoa! Let's find out what these two are up to in our experiment Invisible Ink.
Action! As we mentioned to you in our first episode, we will use a scientific method during the experiment.
If you missed the explanation of each step, you can see our video Runaway Germs.
You can have a copy of this template by clicking on the link found in the description of this video to continue researching and recording at home like a real scientist.
During today's experiment, you will hear the following smart words:
Oxidation,
Electrons.
chemical reaction,
You can add them to your scientific dictionary and do some more research on your own.
Pay attention to catch them during our experiment Invisible Ink.
Step 1. Question: How does invisible ink work?
Step 2. Hypothesis. I think the invisible ink will change color.
Step 3. Materials. I need lemon juice, cotton swabs, white paper, a candle, fire with the help of an adult, other liquids like vinegar, milk.
Step 4. Experiment. I will, number 1, dip the cotton swab in the lemon juice. Number 2, write or draw a message on the white paper. Number 3, ask an adult to light the candle and carefully put the paper over the flame to reveal the secret message and observe.
Let's experiment!
First, you will use the lemon juice. Take a cotton swab and dip it into the lemon juice. Use the cotton swab as a pencil to write or draw your secret message on the white paper. Let it dry slightly, and of course, you will notice you can't see anything. It's invisible.
For the next step, please ask an adult to help you. Light the candle and carefully, without burning the paper, put it over the fire.
Wow! I'm beginning to see the message. It's turning brown.
Oh, it's a heart!
Pause, we have a question.
I'm wondering, why did the lemon juice turn brown?
According to my research, the invisible ink turns brown due to a chemical reaction called oxidation. This means a molecule loses electrons.
Oh, so this means we see it when it turns brown?
That's right. Look, Foof is trying to catch the electrons.
Did you know?
What?
During World War I, secret agents wrote secret messages with invisible ink.
Whoa,
Clever.
However, they were soon discovered and stopped doing it.
So smart.
Play!
Let's get back to the experiment.
Now let's see what happens when we use milk and vinegar. For this, we will write one message with milk and a different message with vinegar.
Again, ask an adult to help you light the candle and carefully place the paper over the fire to reveal the messages.
It says hi and hola. Take some time to compare how each liquid oxidizes.
We noticed the vinegar oxidizes faster compared to the lemon juice and milk. Now it's your turn to try this experiment at home and try different liquids to see what happens.
Step 5. Observe. I see that as the paper is heated up, the messages become visible.
Step 6. Conclusion. I know that when the molecules in lemon juice, milk, or vinegar are heated up, they lose electrons and oxidize. I can see it because it turns brown.
Wow, that is so interesting. This chemical reaction known as oxidation also happens to other things around us.
Like when an apple turns brown or a nail gets rusty.
Ta-da! We're not invisible anymore.
Welcome, girls!
Science is truly sensational and all around us.
We just need to learn how to observe and be curious about what happens around us.
Thank you for joining us for this fun experiment, Invisible Ink.
We invite you to observe what other things around you oxidize.
And remember to subscribe to our channel Colitas y Trencitas Edu for future experiments.
May we meet again!